Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September around the world to honor the invaluable contributions of teachers. This day recognize the hard work and dedication of educators who play a vital role in shaping the minds of future generations. On Teachers' Day, students often express their gratitude in various ways. Many schools organize special events such as performance speeches, and art display. Students create posters to show appreciation for their teachers. It's a joyful occasion filled with celebration and respect. Giving gifts and cards is another common tradition. Students take the time to write heartfelt messages thanking their teachers for their guidance and support. These small gestures mean a lot and show how much teachers are valued. Teachers do more than just teach academic subjects. They inspire, motivate, and help students develop important life skill. They encourage curiosity, creativity, and critical Thinking. Critical thinking helping students to become confident individuals. In conclusion, Teachers' Day is a meaningful occasion to celebrate and hard work of teachers everywhere. It is our day to reflect on the importance of education and to honor those who make a difference in our lives.